going to remove this lower line right here. There's a little cover. This comes off just like the other ones. Slide this cover off and use a pick. And take the clip out. There we go. Get underneath it. And there we go. Got the clip out. Now grab the line and just wiggle it out. Next to the transmission, there's a cover right here. Use a 10mm socket. Take these two bolts out. And take this plate down. And the same kind of fittings. There's just a little cap or a cover. Take that off on both of those. And then the little clips. Take a pick and take those clips out. All right, there's the clip. And just grab the line and slide it out. You might have some fluid come out, so you might want a drain bucket underneath. There's a clip right here that connects the two lines together. You want to disconnect that clip. You can use a screwdriver or a pick. And just pop that off. And there's a clip right here where it mounts to a bracket. Just slide the line out of that clip. Just like that. You could use a pair of pliers. And then also up here, there's another clip that ties these together. Right there, just take that one off as well. Oops. Use a pick tool or a screwdriver. And take that off. Just slide this hose down. You can try twisting it a little bit. Get it past. Now with the bends in the line, what you could do is bend this out of the way. What I'm going to do is actually take this bracket out right here, this cross member, and I'm going to drop the front differential down just a little bit, just taking these two nuts out. All right, I'm going to take these two nuts and bolts out, use an 18mm wrench and 18mm socket. And right here, an 18mm wrench and socket, take these two out. And take these bolts out and slide this down. And then I'm going to take these two nuts out and I'm just going to support the differential. I'm just using my hand, but you could use a jack or a screw jack there. Just tip it down. All right, now the differential didn't come down too much, but that's okay. Just going to try to slide this line forward. Just like this. And I just got just enough clearance to pull it up. Now take the lower line and slide it the same way it came out. You just have to twist it a little bit. And slide this part up here. And slide it into the fitting on the side of the transmission, and then put this cover on. Make sure it locks in place. And snap it into this bracket, just like that. Now take these brackets and just put these together like that. One right there, and then there's one in the back here, over near the starter. And lock it in place. Now push the differential back up. If you needed to drop this more, you could have taken those other bolts out, but we didn't have to. And put the nut on. And this nut as well. And tighten these down. Now put this cross member bracket up. Put the bolts through. And get these ones started as well. Now tighten these bolts up. And the same with these ones. Now we can take this side cover, put that back on the transmission, get the bolts started. And tighten them down. Now I'm going to put this clip on the lower fitting. Just slide it like that and roll it around. And take the line, line it up, push it in, snap it in place, and then put this lock on, just like that.